Hello, I'm going to be as quick and concise as possible going over Notebook LM by Google. This is a resource that the school district recommends for AI for teachers. What's different about this than going to like ChatGPT is that you only upload your resources, websites, docs, videos, Google Drive items in one place, and then the LM will use it to answer any prompts or create items for you like podcasts, infographics, quizzes, mind maps, and more. And it only uses what you put in here. So it doesn't go and search the web. So the district has created, or technology has put in all the curriculum into its own notebook, and you can utilize these. You can't add more to them, but you can use these and create different things like if you want to just get a list of what the priority standards are. So if I go here, I can already see what people have created, like 2025 ELA Learning Roadmap. Someone created, they just asked it to create an infographic of the ELA 2025-26. I have created a couple things I want to show you, just as an example. It's like for 5th grade science, I put in, this is where you dump your resources. So you can add your resources, so you can add sources right here. You can get web links from, you can have YouTube videos, upload files, go to the web, go to your drive. A deep dive is right here, whatever that means. Okay, and so once you have those all in, like I have the science testlets that Alicia gave us a couple days ago, and 5th grade science curriculum. So then I wanted to know what the correlation, can you give me a relationship between what's on the testlets and the MySci and the MLS standards. So I kind of went through here, and you can see that where the test question is in the testlets, what unit matters, and energy and ecosystem. So I can kind of get a better visual. You could just you could just put what are the 5th grade priority standards. I put standards, and then I also wanted to know what the testlet, if there's any testlet questions on it. All right, so that's just one little example. Another thing, like you can take a video, and I took this video, the Digital Citizens Compass, just one video, and then I said, create right here an infographic of the content. Okay, so it just made a poster for me of being safe online, and that just came from that video. You could also just upload a video and say, make a quiz for me. And how easy would that be? You have the questions already made, and you can put those questions into Google Classroom. Put the video and the questions into Google Classroom instead of making up your own questions. There are so many different things. You can make a video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quizzes, slide decks, and you can share all of this in Google Classroom. You'll see that it's one of the options now. I'm going to show you the thing I thought was coolest was audio overview. So I took some resources about Abraham Lincoln and Washington. I just took two, a video of George Washington and a website about Abraham Lincoln. And then I wanted it to create a podcast for me so that I didn't have to read all the information or watch the video. So you go to audio overview and you just click it, and it will generate an IA podcast for you. So here's a few seconds of the podcast.
It really is.
You have two of the absolute heaviest hitters in American history, born just 10 days apart. Lincoln on February 12th, and then George Washington on the 22nd.
It's a remarkable thing. You're really talking about the alpha and the omega of the American experiment.
All right, so you see how it sounds so real? It makes me wonder if all the podcasts we listen to are actual live people. You can do that for your students. You could dump in a bunch of, not dump in, but you could put in a bunch of documents or readings that you have struggling readers need extra support, and create an audio book or create a podcast, and then they can listen to the content that way. I highly recommend you going to this Notebook LM and checking it out. You can share your notebooks with other people so that they can add content to it, or you can make it a read only, or you can just make it a private notebook. All right, I hope that helps, and go AI.